When you're reading and thinking about the job specialization and social classes in ancient Mesopotamia, first you have to understand the terms. Job specialization is when a group of people specialize or focus their time and energy on one specific task or trade or job. That could mean people spend their time farming, and they farm grain, and that's what they spend their time and energy on. Whereas other people are tool makers, and there are other people who are basket weavers, and there are other people who spend their time and energy making clothes for people. Those are some different jobs that people would spend time on, and then with their surplus of their tools or their grain or their clothes that they make or harvest, they could trade those items with each other. So on page 113 in My World History, you see that the first section is about trade and how the Sumerians would barter or trade these things back and forth without using money. So you might be trading barley and wheat, and you might trade it with somebody else who makes wheels for carts, right? Or maybe you trade your grains for tools that you can use on your farm, and then you can farm better and maybe more efficiently. And next season you get a even larger surplus. So you trade these things without using money as the barter system. Social classes are connected to job specialization because as the different people specialize in different jobs or trades, social classes developed. And social classes are when a group of people live in similar economic conditions. And this page will mention the Sumerian social classes, which has the upper class of people like the rulers, the priests we talked about is really important. The scribes would be pretty close to upper class. Towards the middle, we've got the people who are the traders, the people who farm, the craftsmen, the artisans, and then the lowest class in the Sumerian system was made up of mostly slaves. So people who worked for the other people in the social class, right? Maybe the rulers or the priests had servants and slaves. Those would be the lowest class in this social order. In the upcoming quiz, social class, specialization, and barter are three of the terms that are going to show up. So this page should help you better understand all of those terms.